Alright guys, so we're working on this 2015 Nissan Rogue Select model, and we're going to be doing the turn signals. For this vehicle, they use the 1157s, which will look like these ones, which you already removed. Okay, so these are pretty much just twist on and pop out. So we took it out of here already. There's a lot of room to work with. This is the passenger side. On the driver's side, you do have to do a little bit more of work to get to it, but it's not bad. Okay, so pretty much all you're going to do once you get this out, it's just pretty much you slide in, pop out, and it locks in. Okay, so at that point all you do is just put it back into the socket, lock it in place, and you're done. So for the driver's side, you actually got to remove your intake. So it'll be 1, 2, 3. Once you pop those out, you can actually remove this. Okay, once you remove this, it'll give you access to the actual bulb, and you can twist it off and take it out and replace it, which will be right there. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is just test it for you. Okay, awesome. All right, and there you go, guys. So when the automatic switch is on, your daytime running lights will activate, and as you can see, they'll be light up at 6K white. And when you activate the turn signals, they'll turn yellow. Okay, so with that concludes the installation. If you guys have any questions, feel free to let us know. We're more than happy to help you out. With this style of LEDs, they actually do hyper flash when they do turn signals when you're driving. Other than that, pretty much soon we'll be having the error-free non-hyper flash, so we hope to bring those out pretty soon, so like that we can start installing those instead of these. Okay, but for now, there you go.
Beautiful morning, you're the sun in my morning bed.